This is the lecture for Novels Never Lie by James Edwin Mahon, and it's going to be very short. There's only one topic, uh, and it's a topic we've seen before. The topic is speech acts. So we saw speech acts in the Permission to Cheat article by Sorensen, where it was discussing permission as a speech act and invitation as a speech act and things like this. And so this is just to note that this term speech act comes up here again. So you can go back and look at the Sorensen lecture if you need a reminder of what it is. And we get at least one important kind of speech act, which is assertion. And so there's a lot of discussion here and in the next article and in the next article about whether or what assertions are and what counts as an assertion. So get ready for that. And I guess while I'm talking about it, when in the introductory articles, I would point out what like topic in philosophy or what field in philosophy we were reading about. And I guess it's worth noting that for this article and the next article and the next article, it's a combination of aesthetics because we're talking about art, especially novels in these first two articles, and philosophy of language because we're talking about lying and speech acts and things like this. Um, and mostly of those, a little bit of other stuff, some ethics eventually, but mostly aesthetics and philosophy of language. So it's interesting to see how the two will intersect in this topic that we investigate.